Today I'm at 1 Edenbridge in Pitlessie. This is a newly renovated 3-bedroom linked attached cottage. The property has been finished to such a high standard throughout and has been extended at the back to give a gorgeous open plan dining, living, kitchen space. So, they say save the best till last, but we're actually going to start at the best here. So you can see outside we have this gorgeous composite decking that's been put up. We have this lovely big privacy screen over to the side there as well, and which overlooks that gorgeous garden. So you can see here just how much garden space we have. All of this is private, and you do have the River Eden that runs along the back there. So such a stunning property. Now, as I say, this has been newly renovated throughout, and when I say renovated, I really mean that, emphasis on that. We've got these gorgeous sliding doors here that take us into the extended part of the property, which has given this amazingly spacious open plan living, dining, kitchen area. And you can see there we've got that gorgeous big skylight in it as well, so lots of natural light coming in. Beautiful dove grey kitchen with your integrated appliances, so you've got your oven there, also have a microwave, you've got your induction hob there with extractor, gorgeous sink as well. So truly a stunning space that we've got here. So if you're a couple coming home from work, you've got that space outside to be able to enjoy after a long day's work. And if you have a family as well, perfect amount of space for kids to be able to play out in the garden. Now, as we come round here, we've got utility cupboard. So the property is electric heating. It's all had a brand new electric system put into it though, so you've got your system just in there with plenty of space there for a washer dryer to go in as we come round. Now, not only do we have 3 bedrooms in here, but we also have 3 bathrooms. So you've got your first shower room just here. So we have all bases covered in this property with the amount of bathroom space that we do have. So you've got your lovely big shower cubicle there, marble effect wet wall, so it's nice and easily maintained. We have our first bedroom at the back here. Now all 3 rooms are double rooms. You can see that upgraded heating. Nice big fitted wardrobe that we've got in there as well. Our door that takes us out to the side of the property just there. And as we continue round, and we've got 2 double bedrooms at the front here, both of which have en-suites. Now you could use either of these as the master. Personally, I would use this one simply for the fact you have such a great amount of walk-in wardrobe space in here. So you could easily put some rails in there. Really good bit of space. It's just been finished to such a nice standard throughout in here. You've got gorgeous new carpets. It's all freshly painted, of course, as well. These lovely doors that have been put in. And then you have your bath. Again, bath with shower above. So you can really see just the finish that this property is done up till. Then as we head back across the hallway, we've got our front door there, and then we have our third and final bedroom. Again, really good sized double room, and you've got all that storage space as well. And again, in this one you've got ensuite. So lovely vanity sink, LED mirror above it, and then of course another really good sized shower cubicle. Now out to the property as well, you've got your on-street parking to the front there, and you can see as well, we've got the park right across. So it's perfect if you do have children. If you want to keep your house nice and tidy, you can just send them over to the park. Keep an eye on them while they're over there as well. So you can see here, we've got on-street parking right in front. Lovely scenery, obviously the trees, the hills that we've got around here as well. You're just towards the end of the road there. So 1 Edenbridge in Pitlessie. absolutely stunning, newly renovated. Everything in this property is brand new. It's gorgeous throughout, and you have that amazing space at the back as well as a huge garden, and as I say, with the River Eden running along the back of it as well. If you would like any further details on this property or to arrange a viewing, please get in contact with the office. You can do so by contacting us on 01333 424 188. I'm Karen for Fife Properties.